Today I'm here to talk about the effects of blue light on your skin and what are we doing at Thamira to help you overcome the effect of blue light. This light is not just part of sun's rays, but it can also be emitted from various devices like laptop, smartphone, LED lights. After COVID, we are all working from home and we are in front of the monitor almost 8 to 10 hours of the day, and most of the time we are indoors and we are constantly on the phone. So the effect of this blue light on the skin is actually phenomenal. This blue light actually produces oxygen-free radicals on the skin, and this oxygen-free radicals actually causes inflammatory changes on the skin and in addition also damages the elastin and collagen fibers on the skin. So this inflammation produced in our skin can result in what is called post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation stage, and also this damaged elastin and collagen fibers, those can predispose to aging faster, and so superficial wrinkles develop and the skin loses its texture. So what do we do for that? Patients wanting to improve the skin, we understand the skin, we understand if they have any allergies, whether there is any cross reaction with other supplements that they use, and we prescribe products and procedures which can help them to overcome this effect. So the treatment protocol for the blue light effect ranges from just taking some program, or in addition, along with this, you can also opt to choose some procedures. What the treatment protocol for this blue light effect is. So let's start with oral supplements. So we give some antioxidant tablets and some like vitamin C, astaxanthin, coenzyme Q. These are ingredients that we try and prescribe to reduce this oxygen-free radical effect on the skin and causing pigmentation. Also we advise some creams with antioxidant, vitamin C, and also creams to control and regulate the cell turnover uniformly. We also prescribe some sunscreens which you have to use regularly every 3 hours, irrespective of whether you step out of the house or not, because now we are looking at the rays emitted from the laptop. So if you're in front of the laptop, you should use the sunscreen every 3 hours for 8 to 10 hours in the day. And we recommend hydrafacials which will actually hydrate your skin and with the infusion of antioxidants. So during these hydrafacials or medifacial procedures, we specifically only concentrate on infusing a lot of antioxidants on the skin to improve. A little more aggressive, we also give skin booster injections with all antioxidants and ingredients to reduce pigment formation with tiny little injections, and that is also recommended based on your pigment forming capacity.